Let's go into high speed mode. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We've got this, I believe is a 2007 BMW K1200 GT. It's got an inline 4-cylinder. It's fuel injected. It's got heated hand grips, heated seats, all kinds of storage. This was an abandoned motorcycle at a motorcycle shop local here. They never could trace down the owner. Apparently he moved, never left any kind of porting info. So I ended up with it. No title, of course, but I don't know anything about it at all, other than the guy that delivered it from the shop said he thought it was brought in for engine problems. So I don't know. When they brought it on a rollback trailer, and the guy dropped it and scratched up the fairing, and I don't know if that crack was there, if he did it when he dropped it, but as you can see, it's pretty dusty. It's been, I don't know how long it sat in the shop. It's tagged as of February of 2022. So obviously the battery's dead. I have a key. I think we're going to use the old square body to see if we can't jump this thing off and get it to run. But first we're going to take all the bags off, make some room here. They have two positions. One is open and one is release. Be a short video. It's either going to run or it isn't. The battery is going to be under this cover. Hood cocked on the square body, hooking up the cables. And as y'all know that have been watching, I have a lot of problems with my audio, and I'm working on the microphone situation. But what's funny is I just found out that the GoPro actually has a setting to compensate for wind noise, so we'll see how that works. Although a lot of the noise in my videos I think was just from handling the camera and the case that it was in. lights. Nothing. It's got a bad connection. Oh, there we had something. So it looks like brake failure, which I think that's this plug wherever it goes. I'll have to figure that out, because obviously it goes up here to the master cylinder. It looks like we've got 68,565 miles. Oh, it's got, oh, check that out. This button here. How cool is that? Alright, let's see if it'll start. Oh, I heard the click over here. Obviously needs a battery, but it's running. Yeah, we still got that brake failure. It has something to do with this. Heated seats. Heated hand grips. Don't know what the BC's for. Oh, okay, here we go. So he's got half a tank of gas, and I already checked it. The gas smells fresh. I mean, this thing could have only sat for a year. I don't know. The guy that brought it had no clue, didn't know nothing about it. Apparently the oil sensor's not working. I guess I'm going to put it in gear and see if it tries to move. Get ready to kill it. Well, don't have to worry about it. It died on its own. As soon as it went in gear. Yeah, it's definitely got a battery issue. Every time. Starts right up, more or less. I think I had a brand new battery directly in here. It'd start easier. Well, there you have it, guys. mode. I'm not really sure what's happening. Like I said, this was kind of a, well, not kind of, it was an abandoned motorcycle at a cycle shop. Owners moved, nobody can get a hold of them, her, whoever it is, and I ended up with it. So we know it runs. There's some kind of issue with, and there's a gas leak, which is not good. I thought I smelled, yep, I just saw a drip there. But I don't know what's causing it to not go or die as soon as it goes into gear. I don't know enough about these motorcycles to know what to do for that. But we know it runs. The engine sounds good. So we're gonna call that a win no matter what. Definitely looks a lot better with the windshield down and the saddlebags off of it. But it's 105 or 6 out right now, so we're calling that good, folks. Hey guys, I want to give y'all one last quick little kind of an update and a major thank you. As of right now, I'm getting real close to my goal on YouTube. I've got 566 subscribers, which I'm still a ways away for that, but I'm sitting at 3,970 watch hours, so I'm literally 30 hours away from meeting that goal. I've just got to get some more people to subscribe, and I think at the moment I'm still sitting at just like 0.1 or 2% of people that are watching my videos are actually subscribed, which explains the watch hours but not the subscribers. Anyhow, I know I'll get there. I'm not going to sit on here and beg people to subscribe and all that. Would it be great if I could get there sooner than later? Yeah, it'd be awesome. But I know for a fact that I'll make it. I'll meet that goal. I'll get there. I've just got to be patient about it and let it happen when it happens. But as of now, for what I already have and any future subscribers and future viewers, I appreciate it very much. Thank y'all, and hope you continue to enjoy watching my videos. Later.